In this video, you'll learn how to link Bitget to TradingView. By following these steps, you will be able to connect your Bitget account with TradingView, allowing you to track your trading activities more effectively. Begin by navigating to the TradingView website. You can do this by entering the URL in your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the TradingView homepage, which features various market charts and tools. Next, locate the Products option. This is typically found in the main navigation menu at the top of the page. Clicking on Products will expand the drop-down menu where you can select different offerings from TradingView. After that, select the Trade option from the drop-down menu. This action will redirect you to the trading interface. You will notice a new layout that is designed for executing trades and managing your trading settings. Once this appears, look for the Trade with your broker button. Clicking this will prompt a list of supported brokers to show up. This is a crucial step as you will need to select your broker from this list to proceed. Next, click on Show All Brokers to expand the list completely. This allows you to see all available brokers, including Bitget. Make sure to wait for the list to load fully before proceeding to ensure all options are visible. Now, find and click on Bitget from the list of brokers. Once selected, you will be directed to a setup screen specifically for connecting your Bitget account to TradingView. After that, click on the API key option. This is where you will input the API key from your Bitget account. Make sure you have your Bitget account open in another tab for easy access. Type in the API key that you obtained from Bitget. It is important to ensure that you enter this key accurately, as any errors can prevent the connection from being established successfully. Next, click on passphrase. This field is necessary for additional security, and you will need to input the passphrase associated with your Bitget API key. Type in the passphrase you previously set up for your API key. This step is crucial for ensuring that your connection is secure and that only authorized access is granted. Now, click on Connect. This action will initiate the linking process between your Bitget account and TradingView. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that the connection has been successfully established. To get the API key, you will need to switch to your Bitget account. Navigate to the Bitget website by typing in the URL in your browser. Ensure you are logged into your account. Access the necessary settings. Once on Bitget, click on Profile, located in the upper right corner of the page. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage your profile and API settings. Next, click on Settings. This will open a new page with various options related to your account. Look for the section that deals with API management. After that, click on API Keys. Here you will find the option to create or manage your existing API keys. Ensure you are looking at the correct section to avoid any confusion. Now click on API key and copy it. This key is essential for linking your Bitget account to TradingView, so make sure to save it securely after copying. Next, click on secret key and copy it as well. This key must also be pasted into TradingView to finalize the connection. Keep this key confidential to maintain your account's security. Finally, return to TradingView and paste the secret key in the appropriate field. Once both the API key and secret key are entered, your account should be linked successfully. You can now start utilizing TradingView's tools with your Bitget account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.